Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can fix ban on Snapchat on your device. So without wasting any time, let's jump right on it. So you are facing issues because Snapchat shows that your device is banned. Watch the video till the end and fix the ban on Snapchat on your device. So why did Snapchat ban your device? The reasons may be that you violated Snapchat terms of service. For example, Snapchat immediately bans users who post dog-related snaps on their platform. You can read the terms of Snapchat and have an idea about what is permitted on Snapchat. Now, the first thing you can do is update date and time settings method. Now, in this, firstly you just need to delete the app. Just tap on it, just delete the app, and after that, when you're done, restart your device, and then when you're done, turn it on, and then go to the settings, then go to the general option, and then tap on date and time, and just update the time or update the date exactly 1 month ahead of device ban date and time. And all you gotta do now, after you have done with this step, all you gotta do now is download Snapchat once again. And when you're done with that, create a new account for Snapchat. Now, a thing to keep in mind that you should not try to log in into a permanently locked account, as you'll have to repeat these steps all over again. And once you're done, you'll be able to use Snapchat once more. And if this doesn't work, then what you can do is buy a new phone, as Snapchat bans a device based on their IMEI number. So buying a new phone can be your last resort. And that's it for today. Hope this video was useful to you guys. If it was, leave a like, comment what the next video should be on. A sub to the channel will be most appreciated. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.